Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In this video, we will discuss about arithmetic operators in C language. Arithmetic operators is used to perform operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus division. The symbol used for addition is plus. Minus is a symbol which is used for subtraction. And into is used for multiplication. Divided symbol is used for division. And the last one is modulus division. So plus is operator which is used for addition, and we will be familiar with these three operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication. The difference between division and modulus division is division is going to return quotient, whereas modulus division is going to return a remainder. So let me explain with a small example. For example, I am taking the value as 8. I am going to divide this with 2. So 2 fourths 8 and the remainder is 0. In the case of modulus division, it is going to return remainder. So the result is 0. In the case of division, it is going to return quotient. So the result is 4. Hope now it is clear for you. Let me take an example. Let us run this in online compiler. I am going to declare the variables like a, b. Since I did not provide the values directly, I am going to use it from the reader. I am using the function called scanf. It is of type integer. So I am going to read that %d is a format specifier. We have two variables. So I am going to declare two %d. One is for storing the variable a and other for b. Ampersand a and ampersand of b. The operations which we are going to perform is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus division. For addition, we are going to use a plus b. And for subtraction, we are going to use a minus b. For multiplication, we are going to use a into b. For division, it is a divided by b. And this is modulus division, a percentage b. Let us give the inputs here. 8 and 2. The value of a is 8 and the value of b is 2. We can observe the output here. Addition equal to 10, subtraction equal to 6, multiplication equal to 16, division equal to 4, and modulo division equal to 0. This is about arithmetic operators in C language. Thank you, friends.